grab a snack and enjoy the show. This clip is brought to you by Armin's Bistro.
The 5 a.m. peace is shattered by a deafening saw. Big Orange Cat's sweet dreams are officially over. Blocked by giant earmuffs, the cat's rage goes completely unnoticed. So he makes his move. One swift kick later, the cat is flying straight into a metal trash can. Under the moonlight, they rigged the sawing station with thick oil. Tomorrow will be interesting. Morning comes, a single spark flies, and the yard erupts into a massive fireball. Hidden in the bushes, the duo rolls with laughter. The little town remains peaceful.